In our last Triple T, we looked at the first of my 4 graphing calculator MVPs, most valuable programs. In case you missed it, you can check it out through the link above. Today, we're looking at my second graphing calculator MVP, Solver. So let's jump right in. This question comes from the ACT. So notice it says that a hot air balloon starts at 70 meters above ground and is falling at a constant rate of 6 meters per second. And then another hot air balloon starts at 10 meters above the ground and it's rising at a constant rate of 15 meters per second. So we want to figure out after how many seconds will the 2 balloons be at the same height? In other words, will the heights be equal? So here we're going to go to our program solver and type in the left side of the equation, which is 70 minus 6x, same as s, that'll work, and then 10 plus 15x for the right side. And we get about 2.9 if we round to the nearest tenth. So notice in this question, just as we discussed last week, you still needed to be able to set up the equation before being able to use any program, and we needed to identify which program made the most sense. However, in this question, it's already set up for us, so we can go immediately to our program solver, type in the left side using the caret for the exponent, and making sure that we at least use the left parenthesis to avoid an order of operations error. And we get negative 0.125. So we know it's definitely not one of these two options. It's one of the 3 negative ones. Now, if we're not sure about our fraction decimal equivalents, we can just go ahead and type in 1 divided by 3. That's not it. 1 divided by 4. That's not it either. 1 divided by 8. That's the one. Be sure to check back in next week for my 3rd graphing calculator MVP, quad form.